So the thing here is this. Okay, I have to agree that ClickFunnels, which is the predecessor of GrooveFunnels mentioned here, right? It is more difficult for beginners. Okay, so I started out with in 2020, right, when building funnels for myself and for my clients over a few years, right, before I go on to include GrooveFunnels as well to recommend to my clients, right? I do both, right? Subsequently, when GrooveFunnels was launched, right? In comparison, right? Because it is a steep learning curve for ClickFunnels, which is a more difficult one as a beginner back then, right? So when it comes to GrooveFunnels, it becomes easier for me, right? And I also built many funnels, right, for myself and for my clients. Especially, I use that for my network marketing business, promoting the products or doing recruitment. Okay, so comparing the two, right? In a way, I would prefer ClickFunnels. Of course, ClickFunnels is more costly, even for their basic plan, right? They only have two plans. It's about $100 for the basic plan, and features are limited. And then the other one is the $300 kind of payment plan, whereby all the features are open up for you. All the necessary features, right? As a digital marketer are open up for you, right? Okay. So since GrooveFunnels have something to compare with, right? So they make it more attractive for you to jump ship, convert over from ClickFunnels, right? And establish very popular, very branded funnel building platform over to GrooveFunnels. They are very successful in doing that because they attract you with the pricing. However, unfortunately, they don't no longer offer the free forever plan. Okay. After a year, right, it will be, we'll start with a payment plan. Okay. You can enjoy the first year for free. But after that, you have to pay about $50 a month for the basic features. Okay. Despite it's a basic features, they also offer you pretty comprehensive business features to begin with for beginners. And basically, when you are into digital marketing, you are into funnel building, right? The next thing you will really want is when you have leads coming into your funnel, you have already collected their contact information. It's not hard to imagine, right? You will want to build a stronger relationship with them. And by doing so, right, you will be following up with them. And as a digital marketer, we prefer a way of following up, which is not manual, but automated online, right? And, again, right, if you are exposed to digital marketing, that means the email marketing way of following up with your leads. So both platform in comparison, right? GrooveFunnels give you a more attractive package when it comes to the email marketing compared to ClickFunnels in terms of their payment plan. ClickFunnels is much more expensive compared to GrooveFunnels, right? So these are the two basic things. The rest, like having a blogging website and stuff like that, or even a digital store, right? Okay, all established funnel builder platform will offer you this. Will definitely offer you this. So it's more or less like, it's about the pricing now. Okay. And from me, right, to consider and recommend, right, either for my own use or recommend to my clients and my students, right, in terms of digital marketing, right, I only look at two criteria. Number one is the ease of learning it and using it, right, to run it. Okay, ease of it. It must be, not a steep learning curve. That's my first criteria. Number two would be the cost of sustaining it, right, long term, not just short term, right. So for that two kind of consideration, right, ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels, right, unfortunately do not really pass this criteria.